Once again, as we have said, a very comprehensive reconstruction by us. If you look up and to your right, you can see the Predator UAV very slowly monitoring the battlefield. I'm joking, it's the glider up there. You see, I'm pretending. So it's okay though. So there it is. Look up. There's the Predator UAV scanning the battlefield, transmitting the. Yes, the Predator UAV above us, scanning the battlefield and transmitting that information up to the Norfolk Tank Museum satellite that is in orbit. That's then transmitting the data down to our Special Forces team, who are all interconnected by the Stephen McHay battlefield communication system. The UAV is now banking away. I think this is an indicator that action may be about to get underway. Yes, very good point that's been noted to me. Obviously this is part of a tactical move. What you do, you delay and wait until the terrorists get a little bit complacent. You see they're getting a bit lazy now. They're thinking about they're making critical terrorist decisions there. Obviously they're thinking, what do you reckon, Cafe Nero or Starbucks? Which one do we send out for? So all quiet on the battlefield at the moment.
Okay, sniper in position, sniper in position.
So all quiet on the battlefield at the moment.
Sniper, take your shots.
The assault is underway. The assault is underway. 2 terrorists are down. They have been, as I believe the phrase is, overcome with maximum prejudice. 3 terrorists down now.
Go, Rhino, quick!
Screener action, which as I have been saying, will be played later on by the Isuzu D-Mag. Now firefighters present out. Further insurgents filing out of the...
Okay, get ready to run.
Filing out of the Land Rover.
Move.
The battle is full now. Hospitals safely out. But we've got the hospital line. Hospitals now literally on the phone, texting their colleagues back in the room.
Gonna do smoke, throw it long. Good throw.
I still do. Out comes the smoke bomb. No, a bomb bomb. You know, there's a lot of talent here.
Let's get ready to fall back. Stay right behind me, alright?
Now the bomber is rolling into action. The bomber's there to extract our terrorists. Extract our hostages.
Right.
And they're actually moving in slow motion, the hostages. They're actually in slow motion, which is what?
Let's go, get ready. Go, 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 move! Back.
Sorry for the commentator, it was momentarily startled because I started following yesterday, I thought I did everything that could happen. I think there may have been an improvised explosive roadside device that we could go off. Luckily we are carrying extensive electronic countermeasures on all our vehicles. So I think we've got these, I think we've got the bad guys held up there now. The BB's making a break for it. Right, that bit, right, and the Sabre continues to fire at anything that's at 2,500 feet, judging by the elevation of his gun. Now was firing directly at me. I got a feeling that dignitary was just got taken down by a sailor round, in which case you can actually see all the way through it. So, taking over leaving the team away from the battlefield. Not sure if we got shot or fell over there. A shot and then fell over. We had knocked up these terrorists to the runway. Big round of applause for these airsoft guys. This seriously is just a bunch of fun. Great. Well done, guys.
Super! Well, that was awesome. Good work. Right.